Today, we are going to install the DRT Motorsports Polaris OEM mirror mesh insert set. Install time for this item is around 15 minutes and can be installed by yourself and comes in at a difficulty level of beginner. You will need the following tools for this project: a power drill, 5/64 drill bit, Phillips screwdriver, and an automotive trim removal tool. Step 1. Remove the mirror from the housing. Begin by using an automotive trim removal tool. Carefully insert the tool between the mirror housing and the mirror retaining trim. Once the retaining trim is separated, you can safely remove the glass mirror from the housing. Step 2. Drill pilot holes. Use the mirror mesh backing plate as a template. Then, using a 5/64 drill bit, carefully drill the pilot holes at the marked positions. Step 3. Attach the mirror mesh. After aligning the backing plate and mesh plate correctly, secure them in place using the provided screws. Use a Phillips screwdriver to tighten the screws and ensure both plates are firmly attached. Step 4. Reattach the mirror to the housing. Carefully align the glass mirror within the mirror housing. Once properly positioned, secure it in place by reinstalling the retaining trim. Make sure the trim is firmly seated to hold the mirror securely. Congratulations, you have now installed your new DRT Motorsports Polaris OEM mirror mesh insert set. If you have any questions during the installation, feel free to contact us via phone or email. Our support team is here to help. To stay up to date with the latest DRT Motorsports products and events, make sure to subscribe and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Own the dirt with DRT.